I just had to record something quickly, wrote a few bars down, come and record it, and hope you like it.
I just right now start the show.
Six pack a lager for the lot G. Copying everything like I just won the lottery. Weed, risen shit, under guy, do it properly. Getting out with semi-active standard. I'm moving cocky. 12-inch spliff, that's a standard. 12-inch spliff won't leave you standing. The crow's loud, feels like a speaker in my pouch. I was down. If you ask what I smoke, I put an O down. He tried to turn up and no sound. Couple bad bees and they both down. Trust me, there's enough spliffs to go round. Doesn't matter if the crow's down. You can take a toe cup and go up. Never sober like Chief Sosa. Keep a rotation, pass it over. My head's gonna blow like a supernova. I thought I told you, I'm going harder this time. I got a flow that's gold and it's sick like it's bonded with swine.
You
Say
messed
it's
it up
dead
because
cheese,
this
but
is a
it make you
line.
zone out. Stare for the dank and take you all out. Dead things get thrown out like recycling. Pedal to the metal, no cycling. Dank things, I'm taking you all out. Dead thing, ask me for shit, then I'm all out. I'm the kid that piff sticks. Get on the beat, rip when I spit sick. Done Zeus, I live quick. Strap and rip it quick. Now I'm ripping the beat, come fast when I cruise on the streets. They didn't believe I'm a high grade that they didn't achieve. Who's really stepping up, got me going out, dressing up. And they stay at home in a dressing gown. I'm stressing now. Dank weed, it's the best in town. Cross joint, it's a blessing now. That's it really.